this session, we will study about the measure of central tendency. One of the most important objectives of statistical analysis is to get one single value that describes the characteristics of the entire mass of unwieldy data. Such a value is called the center value of an average or the expected value of the variable. The word average is very commonly used in our day-to-day conversation. For example, we often talk of average boy in a class, average height of life of an Indian or the person, average income, etc. When we say he is an average student, what it means is that he is neither very good nor very bad, just a mediocre type of student. So, the word average has been defined differently by various authors, but the simple definition for an average is an attempt to find one single figure to describe whole of figures. So, we see that the good average should have, the averages have the objectives like to get a single value that describes the characteristics of the entire group and to facilitate comparison. So, in the second, to facilitate comparison means the measure of center value by reducing the mass of data to one single figure. Enable comparison to be made. Comparison can be made either at a point of time or over a period of time. For example, we can compare the percentage results of the students of different colleges in a certain examination, say BBA for 2007, and thereby conclude which college is the best, or we can compare the pass percentage of the same college for different time periods and thereby conclude so whether the results are improving or deteriorating. Such a comparison are of immense help in framing suitable and timely policies. So, this is a way to find out these are the main objectives of the averages. Now, we look at the types of averages. There are basically the 5 types of averages we use in statistical analysis. Number 1 is arithmetic mean, number 2 is median, number 3 is mode, then geometric mean and harmonic mean. The first three are the main central tendency, measure of central tendency. The arithmetic mean, which is the aggregate, it takes all the terms and give us the value according to that, and the median is the value of the middle term. If we arrange it is in ascending or descending order and find out the value of the middle term is called the median. And the third one is mode. Mode is the highest frequency, the value of a term which has highest frequency is called the mode. So, here we see, first I explain you about the arithmetic mean, median and mode briefly about these all. So, we see how we get the median. If we have the data like I write here some data, we have data 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and we have to find the mean, arithmetic mean of this data. So, what we will do? We will addition this all, we will get the sum of this all. So, we get here, and the number of data, we know that the number of data is the number of data here. The number of data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of data is 5. We have so we put here 5 in denominator, or we get the arithmetic mean. This is the arithmetic mean. So, we get here 150. If we total in numerator, we get 150 over 5. So, we get here 30. 30 is the arithmetic mean for this data. It is the central tendency of the data. It shows the central tendency of the data. The data is spreaded on the both the sides of 30 in the same manner. So this is the arithmetic mean. And the another, if we have to find the median, for median, first of all we have to arrange the data in ascending order. Here you see the data is already arranged in ascending order, the 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, smaller to greater, it is already arranged. The value of the middle term is the median. The middle term, the value of middle term is 30. The terms are here and 2 terms are here. The middle term is 30. So median would be 30 here. For mode, if we have to find out the mode of the raw data is not possible here because the frequency of all the terms is 1. 10 is one time, 20 is one time, 30 is one time, 40 is one time and 50 is one time. So that is not possible to find out the mode for this data. I put some other data here. I explain you how to get the mode. So I put here some data 10, 20, 10, 30, 20, 10, 40. These are the data we have. Here you see, if I explain here 10 one time, 10 2 time, 10 3 time, 20 one time, 22 time and 31 time only and 41 time only. So you see the let us see here that the 10 is 3 times here. So we conclude that 10 is 3 times. So we conclude that the mode would be 10. Well, the frequency of 10 is higher here, 3 is 3 times. So the high frequency value is called the mode. 3 way to find out the average of a data. By arithmetic mean we could find it out. It is aggregate, it include all the terms here. So it is the aggregate, and the median, it just give us the value of the middle term as we have seen here. So here if we put 5 instead of 10, so the median would be same, but the average would change. Okay, if I change here instead of 10 5, if I put here 5, so 5 plus if I change here also, I put here 12, then here 30 is already there, here I put 35 and here I put 40. So I get different arithmetic mean from this, the 17 and 47, 52, 52, 30, 82, 82 and 122 over 5. 5 2 times, 5 4 times and 5 4 times. So we get the arithmetic mean 24.4 here if we change the data, but the median would be same because the middle term is 30 here. So median will not change here, median would be same here, it would be as it was in previous data. So median is 10, but the arithmetic mean will change if we change in value of any term of a data. The arithmetic mean will change, but the median will not affect it. So this is a way to find out the mean, median and mode. It is the just introduction about the measure of central tendency.